Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin now by preparing one valid email and a strong password. This saves time and avoids interruptions. Once done, open the Minecraft launcher and choose Sign In with Microsoft. Do not click play yet. You will be redirected to a browser sign-in. Make sure to allow pop-ups if the window does not appear. That prevents failed redirects. If prompted for a work or school account, pick Personal Account instead. This first step gets you into the Microsoft flow immediately, so you can finish the setup. You now follow the detailed sign-in process. Enter your email, then type the password. If you don't have a Microsoft account, choose Create Account and follow the prompts, name, password, and birth date, so Microsoft can verify age. Once credentials are accepted, expect a verification step. Pick email, SMS, or Authenticator app to receive a code, then paste it back into the browser. Make sure to review permissions requested by Minecraft. Grant the minimum required, so your game links to the account securely and correctly. You finish by returning to the Minecraft launcher and confirming the linked Microsoft account. Click Sign In again if needed and allow the launcher to detect the authorization token. Once linked, you can click play and your Xbox/Microsoft profile will appear. If something goes wrong, a frequent fix is clearing your browser cache or using an incognito window. This resolves stale cookies or redirect loops. If access is still blocked, reset your Microsoft password or follow account recovery prompts to regain control promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.